Hi, today we are unboxing the TrustBasket TrustBin, that is compost bin. Let's check what are the materials provided inside this trust bin to start a composting at your home. I am excited to see the trust bin. Let's see inside. This lid should be airtight. Cocopeat block is there. This is of 650 grams. Compost maker 500 gram. This is the bokashi powder. You will ferment the food inside this, bio waste. User manual is there. Here we provide how to use this trust bin step by step. You can see. I will explain later. And next thing is tap. So fix here, provided tap also. One more important thing is the filter. You can check Jaggery. So I will tell you why provided Jaggery in compost bin, and that's it. Now I will explain you what are the uses of these materials provided in the trust bin. First one is the Jaggery. Jaggery main use is it serves as a food for microorganisms. Means whatever microorganisms, they come in liquid fertilizer and they settle at the bottom of this trust bin. So for them to survive for 2 to 3 days, this Jaggery serves as a food for them. So before starting a compost, before fitting this filter inside this trust bin like this, you have to spread the Jaggery here at the bottom of the layer. So this is the use of Jaggery filter. The purpose of this filter is to make a separation between the bottom of the trust bin and the above layer, that is the wet waste. Whatever waste you apply, it shouldn't go and settle at the bottom of the trust bin. To make a separation, to provide this much space for the liquid fertilizer, provided this much space. So if space is there, liquid fertilizer can come and settle at the bottom, and even microorganisms will happily survive there, and you can harvest and use. So this is the purpose of this filter. Compost maker. This is 500 gram provided. It has a very important role in fermentation or the pickling process of the bio waste you add inside this trust bin. It is actually a bran, wheat or rice bran it is made up of, and it will be inoculated with the microorganisms, which means inoculated means it will be mixed with some healthy microorganisms which helps in the composting of bio waste or the composting. Instead of composting, we can tell here this is the specialized process of fermentation or pickling. So the microorganisms which helps in fermentation process, that will be mixed with this rice bran or wheat bran. This is the compost maker, and uses are when you apply the wet waste layer by layer. Before putting wet waste inside, you have to spread this one handful of bokashi powder at the bottom, and you have to put one layer of bio waste, and above that one you have to put again this powder and next layer. Like this you can fill up to the complete of this trust bin. So it has a very important role. User manual, as I said, they gave complete details of the trust bin. If you read this, you can clearly understand what is the step-by-step process we have to make after receiving the trust bin. Cocopeat block, as I said, the main use of Cocopeat block here is it is used for the curing process. As I said, curing means once the bio waste inside this trust bin is fermented, if it is almost pickled, you can use that bio waste by mixing with the with this Cocopeat block. To make this fluffy and use it for the curing process, you have to add approximately 1 to 1.5 liters of water. So in our future, we will show how to expand this Cocopeat. Tap provided, yeah, this is mainly to harvest the liquid fertilizer which will collect at the bottom of the TrustBin. Let's see how is this tap. Yeah, it is there. I will show how to fix this also. You can see on bush is there. I don't know exactly what is the name of this part, but okay, this plastic ring and 2 rubber rings are there. One is to fit the outside, I mean don't open this, let it be here only, and other 3 parts you have to fix from inside. Check this, one rubber ring is there, you have to fix from here, and take this rubber ring, fix here. After this plastic one, this one, use this bush to tie it. That's it. Yeah, this is tight. They provided all these materials like Jaggery, compost maker, bokashi powder, and Cocopeat block 650 gram, and user manual, and this filter. Tomorrow I will update you how to start composting by using all these materials provided, and tap also. I fixed tap today only. So tomorrow I will let you know how to start the composting fermentation process by using the vegetable waste or bio waste which you get from your home. This is for today unboxing of the TrustBin. Thank you. Bye.